Hello friends, welcome back to Vanakkam Germany. This video is mainly for the people, those who are passionate in gardening or harvesting their own veggies in their house. In Germany, summer is the only option for doing harvesting. Many of us are living in apartments where they don't have enough space for doing gardening. So, in this video, let me explain you what are the different possible options for gardening in Germany even though you don't have enough space in your house. Especially for this video, I made a collaboration with two other YouTubers. One is Yog with UV channel and another one is Brain Talks channel. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, let's look into the community gardening, which is called as Schrebergarten in German. This is a practical solution for many people who don't have enough space for gardening, and one can opt for this option in Germany. The price is also reasonable and varies for each state. You can look into eBay Kleingarten for this option to rent. One can do the gardening in summertime and spend with their family whole day and relax over there. There are some non-profit garden associations where the garden plots are not particularly expensive. They are neither sold nor rented out, but leased out. This means that you have a right to use the allotment garden. You are allowed to grow fruits and vegetables there for your own use. But according to the Federal Allotment Garden Act, you are not allowed to sell them. In addition to the annual rent, there are membership fees, transfer fee for the previous tenant, and other small costs. The cost can vary greatly depending on the region. On an average, it may cost around 100 euros for the whole year.
Hello friends, I am Yuvi. It gives me immense pleasure to meet you all. Welcome to my home garden. Today in this small video, I am going to give you a few information about my garden and plants. I am passionate about plants and crops as I hail from an agriculture family. Having plants inside our house gives a peaceful ambience and drives productivity. Growing plants require patience and you need to understand their significance. Each plant has its own characteristic and need a customized treatment. For example, aloe vera does not need frequent watering and can grow in all conditions. But whereas peace lily plant require more caring. To have your own homegrown food supports healthy life for your family and enables sustainable living. In my garden, I have planted mint, coriander, chili, tomato, and carrot. It feels so satisfying to cook and eat your own homegrown food. Okay friends, this is a short intro and I hope you will catch some motivation to start growing plants and food in your home. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.
friends, this is Renuka. Today I'm going to introduce you my small balcony garden in Germany. And in this video I would like to share you few tips which we have followed to to bring these plants up. And let me show you what are the different plants we have in our garden. I wouldn't say it's a garden, but it's like mini micro balcony garden. So let's see what are there in our balcony, and I will also share you what and all I'm following to maintain this balcony garden. Let's get started. This is how my balcony looks. I just made a little partition like where I want my garden to be. So these are the plants that we are having in my balcony garden. So let's start it here. This is spinach. Here is chrysanthemum, and here is capsicum. This is strawberry which we brought from Netto. This is capsicum as well. This is Indian coriander, like proper coriander. This we bought from Bauhaus. And this is mint. We are doing it by hydroponic method, and it's really going very wild and it's really beautiful. And this is the pesticide, which both fertilizer and pesticide we bought both of them from Bauhaus. So for this, for 1 liter of water you have to add around 10 ml of this pesticide, and you can spray it once in a week. So I have taken half liter of water, so I added 5 ml of pesticide to it, and I'll be just spraying this. So thorough spray is really needed if you have too many pests. So it's that simple. So this is the fertilizer named Blumenjunger. You can use this not just flowers but also to any plants. At least we are using for all these plants. And for one cup, like you have to add 1 cup to 5 liters of water, and we'll do it weekly once, every Saturday or Sunday. So you just mix 1 cup with 5 liters of water and just pour it to all the plants. This is the balcony, and we have like spinach, strawberry, capsicum, tomato, and 2 types of flowering plants, and lavender, chili, mint, petersilly, and coriander, along with sunflower seeds.
Next comes to the greenhouse gardening, which is called as Gewächshaus in German. It's easy to build it, and the price for this one was somewhere around €250 on whole. Compared to the traditional outdoor cultivation, a greenhouse offers advantages that make such an investment particularly useful for the whole year. My friend was able to grow curry plant, beans, snake gourd, and every possible Indian plant at her house. The biggest advantage, they protect your plants from changing weather conditions. Although some are gonna end soon, You can try this any one of the garden setup next summer. I'm also going to try it out. So please leave a comment which garden setup you like most and that you want to try in next summer. So thank you so much Sharita, Yuvi and Renu Talks for showing your gardening setup and for your time. Thank you viewers for clicking this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. I will see you in next interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya.